Catching any fish, Zach?
What?
Catching any fish? Other way, Zach. Other way. That's it. Bit straight. Straight. Straight now, Zach.
Who's that with Lloyd?
Oh, no, mate.
That Lloyd?
Where you going, Zachary? Straight. Straight. That's it.
What? So you paused? You just...
Go the other way, TJ. Let it out, mate. Let it out.